Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn mid function. So in previous videos, we learned left and right function, that is basically extracting the characters on the left side or right side within the given text, or let's say word. But now we are going to learn how to extract the character from mid section of the given data. So the formula is like this: equal to mid. So we are going to extract the product code. So as you can see in D column, the central part is product code, basically 2024, then 3301, 9910, and so on. So I put mid, then I select the text, then starting number, that is basically from which character extraction should start. So as you can see, in the product code, first three characters are product names, then there is a dash, so four characters are gone like this, and then fifth character onwards the product code starts. That is why we are going to press put 5 here, and then number of characters. As you can see, there is a uniformity in the product code. All product codes are 4 digits. So we are going to put 4, bracket complete, enter. Like this we copy and paste, and now you can see that product id is correctly extracted. You can try this on your own for invoice number. You can pause the video here for a few seconds and try this formula for to extract invoice uh, year. I'm assuming you have tried it. Now let me show you what the answer was. Then mid invoice number, comma 5, comma 4. Here it was the same, but let's say what if I remove this dash from the invoice number? In that case, how will you do it? So very simple. Instead of 5, you can put 4, and this is how it will work. Now, this was quite easy, I would say, because the character numbers were fixed. But now let us try to extract the last name from these email IDs that we have here. As you can see, the character length is not uh, uniform across all the data. Like John has 4 character. In case of John Smith, there are 5 characters before Smith. The surname Smith has 5 characters in itself. Then in case of David Lee, there are again 5 characters. There are 6 characters actually in the beginning. Then Lee itself has 3 characters. So in that case, how to approach? So the best way is, again we will use few other formulas within mid formula. Like in previous videos, we have already learned the find formula. We will utilize that here. So it will go like this: like mid, select the cell, comma. Now find find a dot, because there is a dot between first name and last name, comma. Again select the cell, bracket complete, plus 1. Now again comma, then again find. This time we will see at the rate, then select the cell. I will decode this formula again and explain this in detail, but let us first look at how the formula will be. So we are putting find at the rate c6, bracket complete. Then we will do minus find dot, then comma, then again the cell reference, bracket complete. minus 1, then again bracket close. So as you can see, the Smith, Mehta, Lee, Gupta and Diaz, all the surnames are correctly extracted. Now let us decode the formula. So here what we have done, if you carefully look at the mid formula, first we give cell reference, then starting character number and start number and number of characters. So here within mid formula, we have put the cell reference, which is first part of the formula. Then after comma, if you again go back and see, they ask for character number. So this character number, we have replaced it with this formula. Why? Because what we are telling Excel is find dot, which is this dot between John and Smith from the cell C6 plus 1. Why? Because the next character or next alphabet after the dot should be our starting point. That is why we have put this find formula and then did plus 1. This gives us start number, and then next part comes, which is how many number of characters should be extracted. So for that, what we have done is uh, character number of at the rate. Okay, so find at the rate, then C6. That gives us character number of at the rate, which is the character after finishing the last name, minus again find dot, which is between John and Smith, or first name and last name, and then minus 1. This complete section is a replacement of this number of characters, which was here 4 in this case. So we asked Excel to find the character number of at the rate, and then we asked Excel to subtract the character number of dot, and then we removed one from it. So let us once again see this maybe separately, what we have done. So I will put it here, equal to find C6, sorry, find at the rate from C6. So that is the 11th character. Now the next part is find dot, equal to find. Again I go here, sorry, I first put dot, then I select the cell reference, bracket complete. So 11 minus 5, and then again I am putting minus 1. So 11 minus 5, again minus 1. That gives me 5 characters to be extracted. I think this is clear now. Uh, Thank you for watching the video.